Why formative assessment?
Yes, well, formative assessment um, is incredibly powerful for changing the way students learn. And it's the studies show, and the study that I will cite is from Paul Black and Dylan William, who are who did their work out of the University of London, but they conducted a study uh, on formative assessment by first of all going through the research and narrowing the studies down to uh, a, a few hundred that really focused on the notion of using formative assessment, and then uh, have worked on that study ever since. And basically, what this study shows that in classrooms where the teacher is regularly moving at what we call the speed of learning, where they're eliciting student thinking and then adjusting instruction to meet the learning needs of their students, those students perform far better than students who are in classrooms where the teacher may be staying on the pacing guide, following regular lessons, making sure that they cover all the topics in the curriculum. Um, and the research also shows that the amount of learning that these treatment students receive showed from 4 to 7 months more learning. And that translates to more than a year and a half learning over a typical classroom of students. And these effect size changes are really dramatic. There have been lots of other studies around class size reduction, increased pay for teachers, even though that all teachers would deserve that very well. Uh, Things like bell schedule changes, block scheduling, other kinds of student groupings, things along those lines, and none of them come close to matching the effect size of this formative assessment. And that is why in SVMI we have spent so much time championing the actions of formative assessments in various ways.